Okay, so we got a surprise for you. Let's go.
You ready?
Put it here. Ta-da! The time has arrived. Ta-da! Congratulations.
Congrats, Doctor.
Well,
Any words to say?
you know, I do. I'm sort of never speechless, but
Ooh la la.
Yay.
so yeah, I mean, this is really, really, really great. It says presented to Doctors of Podiatry for passing 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. You know what first started out as a little nothing turned into something very special. This really means not necessarily a lot to me, but I think that it definitely means a lot to the entire organization. You know, since when I first started this channel, it was all about, you know, education and educating the world about everything and anything related to the lower extremities. And it's been a lot of fun, and it's been a great experience. More than anything else, I want to dedicate this to all of our subscribers that have and continue to watch all of our videos that we post. And obviously all the team members here at Doctors of Podiatry, my wife for tolerating me, you know, being able to answer or try to answer as many questions as possible, and of course also you know, my kids and family. This is very special. This is you know, that's 100,000. We're on our way to 200,000, and then we'll go to 300,000. So you know, this is really great. I'm really proud of all the people that have made this happen. And Caesar, you know, he continues to do what he does. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And of course, you know, we have to thank YouTube for putting out an incredible platform to the world where we can accomplish things as such. We do what we do, which is to educate the world that, well, not necessarily, we will continue to do what we do, which is to continue to educate the world, anything, you know, related to the lower extremities. I thank you all.